สวัสดีค่ะท่านผู้ชมทุกท่าน Hi everyone, I'm V from Paint in Hiding. Have you ever wished you could paint with pencil? Yes, I mean graphite pencil. Have you ever wanted to paint with graphite? And why would someone even want to paint with graphite? Well, I don't know about you, but I've had this idea for a while now.which I just never got around to until I got my hands on this Roman small watercolor called Graphite, made with PBK 10. Allow me to preface with the fact that I don't particularly like graphite pencils. I much prefer colored pencils. However, how should I put this? So I'm sure you guys know this, using a graphite pencil to get the impression of a coin. I'm sure a lot of us have done this before or seen someone do it.Well, let's jump to what I want to show you today. It's a similar concept, I'd say. You can use this graphite watercolor and turn it into a tool used to trace detailed reference images, just like carbon paper. So I'm going to demonstrate this in my Kadi Fat book. I already have a review posted, so I'll leave a link below for anyone that hasn't seen it yet. Okay.So I'm going to paint the graphite onto the page on the left, and then transfer it to the right side. At first, I was going to cover the whole page with a mid-tone type of wash, but then I figured maybe I should do parts where I painted the graphite on in mass tone and a more diluted wash.And then I left them to dry completely, of course. Alright, they're both completely dry now, and again, I'm going to transfer the left to the right. The top part is the diluted wash, and the bottom is the mass tone.And now I'm going to simulate tracing a reference image by just doing a couple sketches. I tried my best to apply equal amounts of pressure, as well as going over several times on one spot, simulating what I would do in real life if I were to want to make sure my image has definitely been transferred.I think I'm satisfied with that. Now let's see the reveal. Ta-da! Oh wow, that transferred better than I expected. I wasn't sure if the diluted graphite wash would transfer well, but it's definitely more than enough, which makes the transferred image from the mass tone swatch a very dark transfer. Since we've seen that this was successful, I wanted to see if I could paint on top of them with watercolors. Will they be water resistant? Or will they be water soluble like regular watercolor paint? Let's find out. Well, there we have it! From what I could tell, this transferred graphite seems water resistant, at least for how I used it here today. I'm so amazed at this property. Is it like this with all water-soluble graphite products? I know several of you guys have massive watercolor collections, so please comment down below. I'd love to know if your water-soluble graphite products can do this too. Or if you have other applications you use this product for, please share with us in the comments. And again, as per the holiday season, I wanted to share a bit of what Christmas in Thailand looks like. My family doesn't celebrate Christmas, but I always like to look at all the decorations various places put up. These were taken in a department store. And then I saw this while on the road. It looks like a massive Santa sculpture in front of a building. Which makes me curious, what does Christmas look like where you are? As always, thank you so much for watching everyone. Don't forget to drink lots of water and stay hydrated. Merry Christmas นะคะทุกคน ขอให้ทุกๆคนมีความสุขนะคะ